Hey guys, how you doing? Chris Cuts K UK back again with another clipper review. This time we've got the TPOB Blackout Troll set. I'm excited for these. Let's get into it. So look, Blackout Troll, 240-minute runtime, Psycho graphene blade, super torque motor, exo graphene blade for the clipper. I'm not going to go through all of it, but 68,000 RPM, high digital torque motor for the clipper, 7,000 RPM, high performance, high torque digital motor, Psycho blade for the trimmer. Right, let's grab a quick look at the clipper. Get that out, it's already in the charging stand. Nice. 6.9 exo graphite blade. I've got to say, they look pretty gangster in all black. Like those a lot, look great. Five click system, let's see if they've got power. Sounds strong. Quick look at the trimmer. Yeah, that's nice. Psycho blade comes stock on the Blackout Troll set. Let's have a listen. Sound and look great. So guys, you know what comes in every clipper box. You get your oil, you get your little screwdrivers, you get your brush, and you get your grades. Don't need to see all of that, but quick look at the grades. They feel good, premium, pretty solid. I don't like it when grades are flimsy, so these look pretty good. You get from your half grade to your 1, 1.5, up to your 4. So we'll test them out and see how they go. So here's the charging stands plugged in. Red lights for charging, green lights when they are fully charged. Let's get them charged up and see how they do. Stands coming.
Oh, okay.
Like a tripod.
Anything like that, I'm never going to be a usual stand because it's appreciate execution. You been alright? What's going on?
Oh, it's literally New Year's Eve now, and then we're back to work now.
It's like this is going to be engaging.
Like,
Yeah.
You recorded it this way.
yeah. At least he recorded a decent haircut then.
Right, so just some final thoughts to cap this review off. We'll start with the clipper. I am very happy with them, I'll be completely honest. I'm a bit of a TPOB narc, I'll always admit that. I like the idea of it, I think it's fun, and he's saving us a lot of money, but these clippers are great. They blend well, they remove bulk well, they've got a great blade in them. Click lever, plenty of power, we've been through that, we've been through all of it, you know what's up with them. If I had one tiny niggle with them, is that I had to push the blade back ever so slightly, just so the guards, like Bablis guards, all guards, the guards that come with it, the premium ones, even some Chemi guards, whatever they're called, I tried, they rattled, so I had to push the blade back a tiny bit, so they're not going to be the clipper that'll be zero gapping and sort of doing real tight blends with, but you don't always need that. I've got plenty of clippers. I'm going to use these as like my workhorse. They will definitely be on my station for a long time. All right, and lastly, just a quick recap of the trimmer. Not going to lie to you, I absolutely love it. It's so good. Psycho blade, that really is the business. People have been talking about it and there's the whole hype about it, but it really is great. I'm not going to use this for bulk, I'll be completely honest. I want to keep the blade as sharp as possible just so my lineups are a lot easier for my day. I normally do about 20 to 25 haircuts a day, so I need something sharp and just gets it done on the first hit. So they're great for bulk, but I'm going to use mine just solidly for lineups, and that is going straight on my station for a very long time.